What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time, and I'm back with another video. Today I have a review and an unboxing on a fast wireless charger. This is for both your house and your car. It comes with 3 different attachments that you can hook it up to. You have a vent mount, I'll show you on the back right here, a vent mount for your car, a suction mount, which is going to be a suction cup you can put to your windshield or somewhere in your dash maybe, and then you have a tablet stand. So this comes from Nexgadget. They sent this out for me to review, and I want to give you guys my fair and honest review. Big shout out to them for sending this out. Seems like a pretty cool product. Looks similar to what you see with some of the other companies like iAudi doing something like this. So I'm pretty excited to get into it and check it out. So let's open this up, get a cardboard box. It is definitely a Chinese manufacturer or somewhere overseas. So we'll check it out. You get some Chinese writing on it. Open it up. You get this card right here, your Nexgadget. If you're interested in getting free products, exclusive discounts, and other special benefits, and have any questions about our products, here's how we can connect. Support, Facebook, and then just their website. On the back, dear customer, how'd you like your purchase? Please share your thoughts. So they want you to, reach out and share your review if you like the product. If you don't like the product, give your honest opinion on it, and you can contact them in all those areas. So in the box, you have a charging cable. This is a micro USB right there. Oh, this is your suction cup right there, mount. So it has a little screw tab right here that you loosen up. This opens, you can extend it, bring it down, and then this right here, oh, this extends out even further too, so that's pretty cool. And then it's got a little sticker on it. Not going to take that off right yet. Next in the box, so there's your wireless charging pad, fast charging. And it's got what they call a gravity feed, so you put your phone in there and it locks the phone in place. I'm interested to see how well that works. Depending on the phone, some people have had mixed reviews on it, but we'll check it out. This is where everything connects. So you loosen this up, you put the ball head on, say like this attachment right here, you click it in, and then you tighten it down. So we'll get into that in a second. This is where it charges right here with the micro USB, and then it has the indicator light on the back, LED, that indicates blue or green depending on its charge or if it's charging. Here's the tablet stand right here, so that sits down like so, and then you'll have your charger on there. So that's for your house. Here's your vent clip. Now this is the one that's probably going to most excite me because I'm going to use this in my car. Right now I use a magnetic vent clip. With my phone and some of my cases, I put the the metal piece in. Let's see if I have it on. Something like this, and then my thing sticks on it magnetically. So I use a vent mount. This right here is going to be cool because now I can use this, put it into this right here, and get wireless charging while I'm using my GPS, stuff like that. I do drive for Lyft and Uber sometimes, so this will be cool to keep my phone charged while I'm out driving for that and making some extra money. So let's get this hooked up. Right now we're in the house, so we'll hook it up to the regular tablet stand, but we do have one more piece of paperwork. Shows you how it works. Shows you how to use the desktop stand. The adapter and cable are not included, so you do need a charging cigarette lighter adapter, or you need the charging brick for at your house. So it doesn't come with it. It is fast charging, but you're going to need a fast charging brick, and you're going to need a phone that's capable of fast charging. So let's put all this back in the box real quick, and let's get into the tablet. So I'm going to loosen this up. Can't loosen it up that much, but stick it in, and then tighten it down. Depending on which way you want it, like that. Oh, I'm loosening it up. Let's turn this baby back around, and there you go. All set up ready to go. So let's take the phone, place your phone in it. And they say with the S9, probably because it's not that heavy, that they want you to push down on it to make sure that the gravity feed kicks in. These arms kick up. Let's see what we got here. I think I actually made it a little crooked when I tightened it down. So let's make sure that this is straight. Looks like it is. Tighten it up, and there we go. So that's what your phone's gonna do. It's gonna do something like that. And it's gonna sit in there, and these two arms lock in. So it's hands-free. You know, you don't have to use anything to like press any buttons or anything to lock it. So that seems pretty cool. You're not gonna be able to put this in landscape mode, only portrait. So you're not gonna do any type of like filming on this. If you do any type of car vlogs or anything, you're not gonna be able to use it like that. But to me, that's not a big deal because this is more about charging than it is a, you know, video recorder. So let's get this thing all plugged in. Get the micro USB cable. Wish it was USB type C just because that's what I have, but Jesus, plastic they got on here is top notch. Alrighty, so let me plug this in. Hold on one second. I do have a fast charging brick right here for Samsung, my factory one. Take the phone out for a second. Plug this in on the back so it goes through. Probably should have plugged it in before I hooked it up. But you hook it in just like that. You go through this little wire if you're using the tablet stand. Hook it up. Cable's upside down. There we go. Clicked in, and now it is blue on the back. Take a look at that. Well, you can't see, but when you plug it in, it turns blue, the LED light, and then it goes off. Okay, so let's pop this in the charger and see how well it works. So you take the phone, you place it down in the gravity feed, it locks in, and there it goes. It kicks in charging, no issue. I don't think it's gonna be fast charging right now, let's see. It is not, it's just regular wireless charging. Let's see if we can pull this up and get that to go right there. Wireless charging. The only reason it's not fast charging is they do state that it doesn't come with a fast charger or cable. So I do have a fast charging brick, but the cable that's included maybe is not capable of fast charging. So with that, we'll have to test this out at another time. But it does work really well. You know, you can just take it in, place it down. It has two little, you know, like kind of rubberish pieces to protect your phone as it holds it in. You know, hands-free. If you're in the car, it's easy. You pick it out, place it right in. No issues there. Let's see if we can slap a case on, get it to work. So I got my Subcase premium hybrid case right there. Throw it on, see if we can get it to charge up. There you go, it's charging. Take it out. Kicks on. So it is nice. It takes a little bit to get used to the angle of it, but there you go. It's charging no problem. Every time you throw it on, it kicks right on. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna test it out in the car also, so we'll get into that in a couple minutes. So stay tuned for that. But first, let's check out the app. The ad that they have on Amazon. It's Nexgadget, $27.99. Get this to zoom in right now. Free one-day shipping. Just want to mention the one-day shipping on Amazon. You have to make sure if it says one-day shipping, it has to be over $35. And if it is, and you have enough stuff that's over $35 or the one item's over $35, you have to make sure when you go into checkout that you click on the shipping method and hit one-day shipping. I learned this the hard way. They don't automatically do it, and that's a big kind of like a bait and switch. They tell you free one-day shipping. You think it'd automatically be selected, but it is not. You have to select that yourself in checkout. If not, it opts out to 2-day shipping. I found out the hard way, but now you know. Lesson learned from me. Now you guys know. But anyways, $27.99 Prime, free shipping. You can't beat it. If you don't have Prime, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can get a free 30-day trial. But it has 19 reviews, about 4.5 stars. Wireless charging, you can use it for the iPhone 10, the iPhone 8, the iPhone 8 Plus, all Qi enabled devices, and then you're going to get fast charging on the Samsung Galaxy phones. Right now you get 5% off for 2 items. and I have a code that I'll be leaving down in the description, like a link, and you'll be able to, the first 5 people that email them will get a free wireless charging setup. So that's, you know, pretty cool of them to do that. Big shout out to them, like I said, for sending this out. It's a 2-in-1 function, 1 unit for both your house and your car, and it wirelessly charges and it holds your phone, so you really can't beat that. Like I said, you get the fast wireless charging. And nowadays, wireless charging is really taking off, and that is pretty much due in part to Apple. Apple, you know, started implementing it on their latest generation phones, and now it's really taken off. You know, Samsung's been doing it for a while. There's Android phones that have really been, you know, had this technology for a while, been doing it. But when Apple does something, you know, they have such a mass market that things really start to take off. So now you're not starting to see wireless chargers everywhere. And, you know, this is a good time to pick one up. If you have an Apple phone, you can actually use it. And if you have a Samsung or another Android device that uses the Qi enabled standard, which most do, almost all that I know of, you can pick up something like this and you'll be good. So stay tuned for a little bit, and we're gonna get down into the car, get it set up in the car, and see how well it works, see the stability and how well it, you know, holds weight while driving and stuff like that. So I'll do a little test on that, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're in the car with the Nexgadget fast charger, wireless charger for the car and the home. Right now I'm using it with the car mount. I hooked it up nice. Just gotta tighten it down when I get my angle. So here is my vent mount that I normally use. So let's take that off. That's just the regular magnetic vent mount. So let me see if I can get that off. Of course it doesn't want to tight. There we go. Get that. If you guys hear some noise, I'm in my driveway, so you know the lighting and everything's not going to be the best, but it is what it is. We're in the car, we're going to get it done. So I do have a cable right here that I'll hook into this. Get this hooked in like so. So that's all hooked in nice. So now let's hook this up to the vent. Let's see, where's the vent clip? Right there. Oh, okay, so there's a spring-loaded section on the back. See that? I actually like that a lot. That's nice. Very strong spring. So you're gonna take that, and I'm gonna need 2 hands. Don't mind me if I shake the camera a little. Let's get this baby in here, like so, and there we go. So that's all hooked up. We'll get the car turned on quick so we can get some power and get this baby charged up. Start it up real quick, and turn that radio down, and let's put this baby in there. So there it is, hands free, easy, and it starts charging, no problem. Pull that out, drop it down. Now that works nice. Now you can angle this differently. You want it to sit like that, you can. Let me try my other hand. So I got one hand on the steering wheel, and let's see if we just drop this baby in. Wow, that works well. That works a lot better in the car than it did on the tablet stand. I don't know if that's just the angle that it was on maybe, but it definitely works a lot better in the car for me personally. I just take it out, slap it in, and it locks right into place. I like the gravity feed. I do have a case on it, the premium hybrid case, so it fits with that, no problem. I do think there'd be a problem if you're using like an OtterBox Defender or the Unicorn Beetle Pro, but it is what it is. I can't use my Unicorn Beetle Pro and test it out for you because I have a metal plate in the back for my magnetic clip, and that blocks the wireless charging capabilities, so we won't be able to see that. But I really do enjoy this a lot. This thing works good, and for the price, $27.99, you can't go wrong. I'll leave a link down below. For the first 5 people that use the link to email Nexgadget will get a free wireless charger. So big shout out to them for doing that for my viewers. Really appreciate that, and hopefully one of you guys or able to pick this free wireless charger up for your car or for your home. Me personally, this is where it will stay in my home, in my car, and you know, probably won't use it at home so much. It does work well at home, but for me, I have other wireless chargers that I use, you know, specifically for in my house. This one is going to be great for my car. Boom, grab it, and boom, lock it in, no problem. Like I said, I do some Lyft and Uber, so this will work out perfect for me. I really do enjoy it. This is nice. So thanks again for Nexgadget for sending it out. So guys, hey, just wanted to show this real quick. It is fast charging. Let's see if we can zoom in on this. Get that in focus. Fast wirelessly charging. I had the hookup on my car charger in the wrong slot. I have a, I think it's an Anchor dual or triple slot, and one of them is quick charge and the other two are like auto IQ or something like that. So it is fast charging. Show it again. Kicks on, and it takes a second for Samsung to notice it. Oh, there it is right there. It's down the bottom. Fast wireless charging. So I just want to show to you guys that this is capable of fast wireless charging, as they say it is. I couldn't get it to work upstairs in my house because I didn't have the fast wireless charging cord. Outside, I do have the cord in my car, and I hooked it up. No problem. Hooked it up to the fast charger adapter, quick charge 3.0 adapter I have, and no issues. So I just want to tell you guys that. Throw it in at the end real quick so you guys know it is fast charging. Works great. No problems. Really like this. Definitely go pick it up. Later.